Welcome, in front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I'll show you how to remove the battery from this device. So to get started, you want to take off the cover, and on the bottom left corner you have a little notch right here that you can kind of pry off the cover like so. And then you get access to the battery. So from here you want to pry it up and out. So you can actually grab it, it's going to be easier. There we go. And basically now the battery is out. So that's how you would take it out, and when you're putting it back in, make sure that you only align the pins right here with the pins that are right here under the SD card. Or maybe if I take it out it will be better visible. So you have basically pins right here. So just align them, slide it up and in, and now you can turn the device back on. You just put the cover back on. Okay, as you can see now the device is turning back on. So that is how you would remove the battery on the MEDION E5005, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.